Ooh, it's tiny, Richard.
Hi, good afternoon and welcome. And yes, it's tiny, isn't it? And this is the Insta Go2, one of the smallest action cameras you can get. And I'll show you what else comes with this camera. And the main thing is its charging pod, and you can use it in this pod, and it connects to it by pressing that button there, and then you can press that button there to record, switch it on and switch it off. And this also acts as a charger for the little tiny unit, because the little tiny unit, when it's recording, will probably only last about 60 minutes. So it's something to think about if you are considering using it on your helmet to capture some riding while you're out. And I have fixed on the mount, just a very bodged up rig onto my helmet to try it for tonight, because we're going to go to the Triumph bike night, and I'm going to go on my lovely Yamaha XSR 900 or a Velocity Moto 900 LC, give it a run out. Just to show you how versatile this little camera is, you can fit it into there, and the little camera fits into all its holding cases just with a magnet. So that can go onto the brow of a cap, and that is magnetic, and you can put that around your neck, and the camera goes through your t-shirt and magnetically stays on there, and it's quite stealthy actually. Somebody would hardly notice you were wearing that. So if you're doing a vlog at a bike meeting or something and you just want to wander around hands free, you wear that under your t-shirt and just clamp the camera to it. It hasn't got a separate SD card, so you have to download the footage when you reach its maximum storage limit, which I'll put up onto the screen now. Okay guys, we're en route to Triumph Bike Night, and there'll be no chatting between me and Carol on the way there, because there's no audio pickup to this camera, so just pictures. So I'll make it nice and short, and then show you around some of the bikes when we get there. Busy. Ooh, ice cream. XSR, that's what mine used to look like before it got modified. It's a bright guzzy. Hey Carol, your colour. That's your bike, isn't it?
I do like them, I must admit.
Your colour.
Yeah. What about the orange stripe?
It's nice though, isn't it? Beautiful knit. Hey Carol, your bike's still here, look.
Yeah, if anyone could get a test ride on it, eh?
Yeah, it's looking more and more unlikely, isn't it? First kick. Yeah, brilliant. Thank you. Be interesting to see how this camera copes. See, all these bikes are all owned by Dick Shepherd, who was starting up the Steve McQueen bike. All his collection.
Well, he's like his old friend now.
Yeah, always happy to chat. Yeah, he is, yeah. This is where the Steve McQueen bike normally sits. In fact, we sat on it just there, didn't we?
We did. It's very lucky.
Very lucky when we had our little personal tour. Hey, look at all those RRs over there, look.
Ah. Filming my backside, are you?
Surprising, yeah. Hey, look, got the speed triple in the bright orange now, look, down there. See it?
Oh.
Starting to do some decent colours now. I do like the ape hangers.
Pins and needles in my hand if it's riding like that.
It's not you, is it?
Reach as well from that seat, isn't it?
I'm not sure you'd manage it. So what are we doing? Taking a ride back now?
Taking a ride back, get a bit of tea.
Yeah.
Nice.
Guys, let us know what you think of the footage. Is it worth using again? Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Brian.